Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I recently had a little girls spa night and we had a nice cute charcuterie board, but I wanted some really nice dishes, but I didn't want to use real dishes. So this set by Nervure is so beautiful. It totally took my charcuterie board over the top with cuteness and elegance. So what drew me to these was they're just so delicate and dainty and elegant looking. So it's this beautiful pale pink and then these beautiful, beautiful gold tulips on there. They are so pretty. Makes me wish it was springtime. But it also has a nice gold rim around the edge and it comes with a set of 25 of everything. So there's so many ways you could set this up. You can stack them, or if you wanted to put them off to the side on each place setting, it would look pretty so many ways. I did just stack mine because it was kind of like a little bar where you picked up your own thing. And at my girls' night, we made little mocktails, and can I just say, these cute little glasses, because they're clear with the gold rim, just really took my little mocktails over the top. We had orange slices, strawberries, all kinds of things, and they just look really, really pretty. So whether you're having a girls' night, a bridal shower, any kind of little gathering like that, this would be a beautiful set. It would look so gorgeous, so elegant. I know if I have any other cute little gatherings, I'll definitely be using these. They are so beautiful, and that's my point of view.